più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo.
Good afternoon, tubers. Matt and Roy back once again, back to you with another cooking video. This is one that has been requested by quite a few of you. This is also one that I have seen a few other YouTubers do, such as the Wolf Pit, and I believe UXW Bill also did one like this. What I have for you today is what could possibly be the best air fryer pizza out there. So without further ado, let me give you guys an ingredients list, show you what we're going to be using today. First, we have some of this Mama Kazi's pepperoni. For the pizza crust, I went to Target and got 3 of the Market Pantry mini pizza crusts. I think these are about 6 inches across and perfect size to fit in the air fryer. Next, I have a blend of mozzarella and sharp cheddar cheese. 2 of the Market Pantry's traditional pizza sauces. Now you want to make sure you use pizza sauce because it's thicker than like marinara sauce or spaghetti sauce, which is a little too thin for this application. And then I have cut up here some onions and last but not least some mushrooms. So that is what the ingredients list is. Let's go ahead and start putting this together and we'll get to eat some really good air fryer pizza. Alright, tubers, so the first thing we need to do is go ahead and put some of the cheese mixture on. Now the reason I'm putting the cheese on first is because in the air fryer it tends to cook very quickly and very hot, and I don't actually want the cheese to burn, so put a good amount of the cheese on there. Next, we're going to go ahead and spoon some of this sauce. I'm going to try to do this as neatly as possible, though most of you guys know by now I am not a neat freak. As a matter of fact, I tend to lean more towards the messy side. And I do like quite a bit of sauce on mine, which is fine. If it leaks out, the air fryer has a little tray on the bottom to catch that. So now we got our cheese and our sauce. Next, I'm going to put a liberal amount of onions. I like a lot of onion on my pizza. That's just me. You remember, you can do this to taste, so whatever you guys prefer, you go ahead and put on your pizza. It really doesn't make too much of a difference. Next, got some cut up mushrooms here. Going to go on top. And remember, this is made to be a very easy meal. This can be done in under 10 minutes if you're in a rush. And there we have it. I am not actually going to put pepperoni on mine. This is going to be for when Mom and Dad do theirs later. So basically, to recap, we have the cheese on the bottom, the sauce, some onions, and some mushrooms. I'm going to go ahead and try to even this out just a little bit more. Maybe throw just a tiny bit more cheese on top to kind of make a pizza. But you do have to be careful, like I said before, because the way the air fryer cooks, it uses superheated air and circulates it around, that any cheese on top will get a little bit crusty. So if you put some on top, just make sure you don't put too much on there. Alright, tubers, now it is time to put the pizza in the air fryer. You can see it fits perfectly in my jumbo 6.7 quart air fryer. We're going to go ahead and stick it in, and it's going to be set to 400 degrees, and we're going to cook this for approximately 6 minutes. Now your air fryer may vary, but that is pretty much what everybody says online. If you like it crispy, you can do it for 8 minutes, but usually 6 minutes is sufficient. Alright, tubers. 6 minutes later, and take a look at that delicious pizza. Look at the cheese on top. The mushrooms are all nice and crispy. The onions are caramelized. Let's go ahead and take this bad boy out. Alright, let's give this thing a little cut here. Ta-da! And ta-da! Looks absolutely delicious. Let me give you guys my thoughts on how this actually tastes. Alright, tubers, I have it right here. It's going to be a little messy, but let's give it a taste. Absolutely delicious. Onions are good, nice and caramelized. The mushrooms have cooked perfectly. Really, really good. So tubers, really, really messy. This is your 10-minute air fryer pizza. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Stay tuned for some more of these videos coming really soon. Please continue to like and subscribe. I'm going to finish this off camera. And as always, have a blessed day, everybody.
Delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci settua dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci settua dolcino d'amor.